Manakthapuram district in Tamil Nadu is finally going to be inaugurated after years of hard work that has been put up to formulate this particular rail bridge, which is first of its kind not only in India but also in Asia. We are talking about the Pamban Rail Bridge where we are currently present. If you look at this road that you see, it is the only route to connect the India mainland to the Rameshwaram Island, which is situated here near the Pamban Bridge. And also this right behind me is the old rail bridge, which required a huge manual process for the bridge to be lifted up, and more than 16 people were required to lift this bridge, after which there would be some way that was made for the ships as well as the big boats to cross. But now that the new bridge has been made, this particular old bridge, which has been corroded and there has been corrosion on this, will now be broken, and thereafter the new bridge will be inaugurated very soon. At present, I am in the Bay of Bengal and here I am present with some of the fishermen who are celebrating this particular eve by cutting some cake. And also here you see the bridge is now, there have been these technologies used to lift up this bridge when the signal is being given. First, if a boat wants to cross this particular bridge, they will have to seek permission from the Tamil Nadu Maritime, after which they will be able to get the confirmation from the railway department, after which this bridge can be lifted up for the heavy ships which carry goods and oil exports, and also the small ship like the one of the boats that we are present on. Because of the height being greater from the previous bridge, they can easily pass through the bridge without even lifting it up. And these fishermen, they are celebrating the same spirit. They are of the view that because of this bridge now finally being made up, the connectivity will be enhanced, and because it has taken a lot of manual process for this bridge to be built up, with more than tons of stainless steel being used, with AI technology, design and enhancements to ensure that this bridge serves at least more than 100 years for people to get larger and larger benefits of not only the ship, but also how the Indian maritime industry is exponentially expanding. These fishermen here, they are celebrating this with a cake, and they are of the view that if we cut the cake, they are thanking PM Narendra Modi by also holding his placards and his photos. And let us directly know from them. Sir, you are celebrating by cutting a cake. What is it that you are feeling happy for?
Very happy to with the new bridge of Pamban Bridge, because of we are living in the island. So only way to connect the mainland is only bridge only. It's a old bridge is damaged. Now it's construction of new bridge. It's one of the special things only is the old bridge is just 3 meters only on the airspace only. Between the bridge and the sea, it's airspace is only 3 meters. Now it got a 5 meters. It's very useful to the fishermen to cross the Bay of Bengal to Indian Ocean. It's country boats, and then the mechanized boat and the deep sea boats, and also patrolling boat also easy to cross the bed. This is very benefit to the fishermen and the country. Also very thank to the Modi ji, and on the same time another thank to the Modi ji, because of this is the 5th year anniversary of the Indian Fisheries Ministry. The Modi ji create the Fisheries Ministry firstly, because of last 65 years Congress are not build a Fisheries Ministry separately in India.
That you guys were going through, but now you think that there has been ease of doing business in the sea.
Yeah. Because of the in the Machiwara community have plenty of problems is here.
What are the problems?
We have nearby the Sri Lanka. The Sri Lanka Navy issue is here, and then the economically problems, and then the cyclones issues. So many natural disaster issues, so many issues have there. But there is no in the Fisheries Ministry last years. Now we have the Fisheries Ministry, we have the Fisheries Minister, we have the State Fisheries Minister, and then the NFTP. So many funding organization is built by the Modi government. So very thanks to the Modi government.
So you heard the fishermen and their community. They say that doing business in the sea is difficult, and be it the climatic conditions, the cyclonic conditions that they face, or because this particular area that we are in, it connects not only the Bay of Bengal to the Indian Ocean, but also it is the Sri Lanka country and its coast, which is only at a distance of 18 kilometers from Rameshwaram, where we are currently, and this bridge leads to that particular place, and which is why they are thankful that because of not only this bridge being constructed, but also because of the extreme care that has been given for the conditioning of these fishermen has led to them getting a sense of safety and security while they go at deep neck sea levels for fishing and providing and feeding the people of the southernmost tip as well as the entire nation at this point, and they are thankful for the security that they get, and henceforth they are cutting a cake today, they are celebrating it, and they also say that because of the Sri Lanka coast being very close to them, they often face great challenges, but however now they have been able to overcome a few and while continue to strive to feed the people of India. With video journalist Praveen Jirohit, Ms. Sujata Trivedi for NDTV 24/7 from Tamil Nadu.